Good morning, student. I am your Stifel sir from ICRA English Medium. Today I am going to teach you subject grammar. Today's our topic will be articles. So what is an article? The articles a, an and the are determiners used before nouns and sometimes adjective. So what is articles? You might have seen this thing commonly comes in the sentences. It is a very small thing which you might have seen many times. So it is called an article. And what next is, it comes before noun. So what is noun? Noun is a word, or sometimes it calls adjective. So this thing comes before noun, means any word. If you see some words, it comes before that word. Like you might have seen here, like the. If you have noticed, the comes first, and this is noun. This article's word is a noun. So it comes before. So the is also an article, and it comes before noun. So what is noun? Article is a noun. Noun is what? It's a name of person, place, animal or thing. Okay? Now A comes before singular noun that is big with a consonant sound. So I have taught you what is consonant and what is vowel. So if you will leave A, E, I, O, U, that is all vowel. So if you leave A, E, I, O, U and rest of the alphabets, if you will see which comes with A. Okay? So that thing is called as consonant sound. What is consonant sound? If you leave A, E, I, O, U, like B is a consonant, C is a consonant, D is a consonant, F is a consonant, like going on. Moving on. Now I will show you where is the consonant, so that you will understand. Like I told you, what was written before it, that it comes before a noun or an adjective. So this is noun. First of all, I'll tell you this is noun, and A comes before that. Okay? Now, in the first, there is a picture of a rat. If you will see carefully, R is a consonant. What is the consonant? R is the consonant. U is a consonant. X is a consonant. So this is known as consonant sound. A rat, a unit, a xylophone. N comes before a singular noun that begins a vowel sound or a mute H. Sometimes you will see H is used with N. Why sometimes H is used with N? Because H is a sound of mute, silent. H is a silent word, alphabet. And I told you what is vowel. Vowel is what? A, E, I, O, U is a vowel. Moving on, if you will see here, an adult, why Here L came because first alphabet is A. A is a vowel. Why here X is there, still L is there? Because X silence, X is a sound of H. An X-ray. So A sounds like H. So that's why sometimes N is used. And here H is silent, I told you before, that's why N is used, because H is silent. Sorry, I am having sneezing problem, so you might sound me wrong because of my nose, so please forgive me. Moving on, L adult, L X-ray, L higher res. Now there is one chart, you can see LA is given. A are called indefinite articles. R is used to speak of someone or something for the first time. So wherever you can see R is used for the first time. R used with allowed in general. We have a test tomorrow. Or test. Ved wants to be an umpire. So U, why here U is there? U is vowel. A-E-I-O-U. So L is used. Why here T? T is there. T-E-S-T test. So T is consonant. So A is used. The. Now we are going to talk about the. The is a definite article used to point out a noun. So the is called a definite article to point out noun. It comes before a noun, as I have mentioned before. So the article a, l, the can be used before an adjective that comes before a noun. So it comes before an adjective. I told you what is adjective. Adjective, it gives some information about a noun. Like here, our school has got a new captain. So here new, it shows something about a noun. So this is adjective. Moving on, I can show you here, it is a clear chart given below. Our school has got a new captain. So captain is a noun, but new is an adjective which shows something about a noun. So if someone asks you what is an adjective, you must say that adjective comes near noun and it shows something about an adjective and it shows something about noun. Okay, you can see here. We use the when a person, place, animal or thing is mentioned a second time. So you have to keep in mind where the can be used, it is used the for person, place, animal or thing which is mentioned second time. We can see here we have a test tomorrow. That is mentioned one time. Okay. Then we want to do well in the test. So test is used second time, and that time you can use the, which is very simple to make you understand. Okay. So what you have to keep in mind, the can be used second time in a sentence if you want to repeat something. We use the when it is clear which person, place, element or thing is being referred to. So the is used when you want to refer something. Refer means to show something, batana. We have two glass jars, a red one and amber one. The amber jar was very expensive. Repetitive, refer means किसी चीज़ को फिर से बताना. रेफर्ड किसी चीज़ को फिर से बताना. रेफर्ड, REFERRED, रेफर्ड. सो यहाँ पे रेफर्ड करना भी उस वक्त द का यूज़ होता है. तो इधर क्या चीज़ रेफर्ड हो रही है? एम्बर जार के बारे में हो रहा है. कैन यू सी द एम्बर जार माय डियर स्टूडेंट? वी हैव टू ग्लासेस, हमारे पास दो बर्नी है जार की. रेड वन एंड अ एम्बर वन. द एम्बर वन वॉज वेरी एक्सपेंसिव. रेफर्ड किसी चीज़ को बताने के लिए द का यूज़ होता है. वी यूज़ द वेल देयर इज़ ओनली वन सच थिंग्स. द का इस्तेमाल कहाँ पे होता है? जब कोई एक ही चीज़ हो, वहाँ पे द का यूज़ होता है. क्या कोई एक चीज़ है ऐसी? यस, जैसे कि चांद है, सन है, ये सिर्फ एक ही है. सो द मून, द सन. आगे, वी यूज द व्हेन नेमिंग अ नाउन दैट रिफर्स टू एन एंटायर ग्रुप ऑफ इट्स काइंड. किसी पर्टिकुलर ग्रुप के लिए द का यूज होता है. कोई किसी चीज़ का एक ग्रुप हो, ग्रुप यानी देखते हैं, जैसे कि एक वेल है तो वेल का एक पूरा ग्रुप है, एंटायर ग्रुप. तो हम बोल सकते हैं द वेल इज़ अ मैमल. तो मैमल कैटेगरी के अंदर जो आता है उसमें हम लोग द का यूज़ कर सकते हैं. वी यूज़ द बिफोर ऑर्डिनल नंबर, बिफोर सुपरलेटिव एडजेक्टिव. तो ऑर्डिनल नंबर के लिए भी यूज़ होता है द. जैसे कि कोई चीज़ में हम लोग नंबर्स हो, कोई सेंटेंस में नंबर हो. फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल, द सेकेंड सीट इन द रो इज़ माइन. तो दूसरी बेंच में जो सीट है वो मेरी है. तो हमने यहाँ पे देखा कि जो नंबर्स होता है ऑर्डिनल नंबर, उसमें भी द का यूज़ होता है. मूविंग ऑन, सुपरलेटिव. सुपरलेटिव क्या होता है? गुड, बेटर, बेस्ट होता है ना. गुड होता है, बेटर होता है, बेस्ट होता है. तो वहाँ पे भी द का यूज़ होता है. तो ये क्या होता है? गुड, बेटर, बेस्ट. ये एक टाइप का कंपैरिजन करने के लिए यूज़ होता है. पहले इंसान के लिए पहला और दूसरा इंसान के लिए, वो पहला दूसरा इंसान को लेकर तीसरे इंसान के लिए. We do not use the definite article the before a noun of games. जैसे कि यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है, but for today it is enough for you. I hope you understood this chapter. Thank you so much.